Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to look at the major rivers of Europe, and I've got 5 rivers on our list that we're going to look at. So let's start with the first one. Now, it looks like it's going to be called the Thames River. However, that's not the correct pronunciation of it. It's actually the Thames. So if you are in England, and this river runs through a lot of the major city areas in southeast England, it also runs through the capital city of London, but you would hear it pronounced the Thames River. So it's in the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is this whole land area. We'll get more into the United Kingdom later when we talk about regions of Europe. Short river, though, only 215 miles long. I know we've talked about other rivers, the Mississippi River, over 2,000 miles long. The Amazon River, 4,000 miles long. Probably thinking, well, why are we looking at a river that's only 215 miles long? It's because of the importance it plays to England and its development, especially with its capital city of London.
We're going down the River Thames, and this place is amazing. I'm getting to see all the London sights on either side of it. We have London Bridge, St. Paul's Cathedral, London Eye. All the major sites are right along this river. We just passed under London Bridge. I didn't realize that at one point it was actually falling down, so they tore it down and rebuilt it. The city. It was an awesome day.
So the next river is the Danube River. It's Europe's second longest river. However, the Danube River holds a distinction. It flows through more countries than any other river in the world. Now, that also has to do with the fact that a lot of European countries are smaller than countries on the other continents. But it flows through more countries than any other in the world, and it flows east into the Black Sea. It is a longer river, over 1,700 miles long. We have the Rhine River, which starts in Switzerland and flows north through Germany, through the Netherlands, until it reaches the North Sea, and it's 760 miles long.
In Germany, the River Rhine cuts through steep hillsides and craggy cliffs to reveal quaint villages of half-timbered houses around every bend. This 80-mile stretch between Bingen and Bonn makes up the Middle Rhine, but the area is more affectionately known as the Romantic Rhine. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, this idyllic setting inspired Rhine Romanticism, an artistic movement during which artists decried industrialization and turned instead to nature and the past for inspiration. Writers, painters, and composers, Lord Byron, William Turner, and Richard Wagner among them, journeyed along this sublime waterway, coming away forever changed by the experience. This historic river inspired such works as Wagner's The Ring Cycle, Heine's poem The Lorelei, and some of Turner's finest landscapes, the result of several voyages along the Rhine. In 2002, a portion of the Middle Rhine was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, in part because of its more than 40 medieval castles, such as Rheinstein Castle, once home to Holy Roman Emperor Rudolf von Habsburg. 12th century Starleck Castle, built by the Archbishops of Cologne. And Marksburg, the only Rhine castle never conquered. Even more intriguing is Pfalzgrafenstein, a toll station built on an island in the middle of the river. Chains once stretched from this island across the entire Rhine. In order to pass, one had to pay a toll, a major source of medieval revenue for the castle landowners. This majestic waterway, long the domain of knights and princes, painters and poets, offers a fascinating window into the past, as well well as some of the world's most spectacular vistas. The next time you're in Europe, I hope you'll take the opportunity to explore the romantic Middle Rhine for yourself.
And then we have the Volga River. The Volga River is Europe's longest river, and it's located in the western part of Russia. And it is over 2,000 miles long. It drains most of western Russia. You have the Ural Mountains here separating Europe and Asia, and a lot of that area drains in to the Volga River, which again flows south and empties into the Caspian Sea. Now, how important is the Volga River to Russia? It has 9 of Russia's 10 biggest cities along it, or nearby it. So it's a very important river to the country of Russia. All right, so at this point, that's the end of this section's notes. Go back into Google Classroom, take a look at the rest of today's assignment. We'll see you next time.